Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot a Keurig Frother not turning on. Let's dive in. The first solution is to check the power source. Verify outlet functionality. Plug another device into the same outlet to confirm it's operational. Inspect power cord also. Examine the cord for damage such as string or cuts. Contact Keurig support if the cord is damaged and replace the damaged cord. The next is to ensure proper assembly. Ensure the frother is securely seated on its base. Confirm that the whisk is properly attached inside the frother. An incorrectly attached whisk can prevent the frother from running on. The next is to avoid overfilling. Ensure liquid does not go beyond the maximum fill line. Leaving a small gap below the max line allows the whisk to spin freely and avoids overload. The next is to use appropriate milk. Use 2% or whole milk for the best frothing and heating results. Note that almond, soy, or oat milk may froth less effectively due to lower fat and protein contents. The next is to clean the frother thoroughly. Rinse the frother and wicks with warm water to remove residue. Soak the wicks in warm, soapy water and gently scrub to remove stubborn built up that could block the frother's operation. The next is to avoid simultaneous operations. Complete brewing before starting the frother to avoid performance issues. Running both functions simultaneously may cause insufficient power for the frother to operate. The next is to ensure lid is secured. Ensure the lid is properly aligned and firmly secured. Some Keurig Frother would not operate if the lid is not correctly positioned. The next solution is to inspect for damage. Check for cracks, wear, or other sign of damage for frother, whisk, or base. If a component is damaged, contact Keurig or a trusted vendor for replacement parts. If none of the above solutions work, you need to contact the support. If the frother is under warranty, inquire about repair or replacement options. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.